Hey guys, I am back, and I'm just want to tell you I am so sorry for not making videos. You see, I've been with my mother. Yes, my parents are divorced, but you guys don't need to know about that, okay? So, my point is that I was at my mom's house, and at my mom's house, I don't have a device to record. Okay? Oh my god, my friend's saying hi to YouTube. Okay. And so I just want to say I'm so sorry, and I'm going to keep trying to make videos. I might not be able to make videos. I'm going to Portugal this Monday. Yes, the day after tomorrow. So I'm not going to make videos probably again. I'm so sorry. But so I'm making this video, okay? Okay, speedrun 4, go. I wanna... Can we turn off this music? How do you... Settings, turn off music. Come on! It's not working. Okay. It did nothing. Like, nothing. This song is really loud. I'm sorry, you guys. So I'm gonna put in another song, and it might get mixed in with this song. I'm sorry. But, like, you know, it's, yeah. She's like, she's so supportive. Makes me cringe. What? Oh my god. She's, you know what? Rude. Like, seriously, I'm trying to talk to my friend here. Rude. You're welcome. XD. Thanks for the... Duh. Okay. Let's see, thanks for the help. You are really supportive. I'm just throwing it out there to her. You know, the sarcasm letters. I'm just like, oh, you're really supportive, telling me that you cringe when you listen to me and my friend talk. Oh, that's helpful. Good job. Supportive. Very. And she's like, I know, right? Very. Oh my god, this person. And of course, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm going to pass this level. This is getting annoying for you guys probably. So I'm going to pass this level, and on the next level, I'll start recording again. I'll do it off camera. There we go. Okay, I'm on the next one. Yeah. Oh, I jumped over the speed thing. Oh my god. Okay. I've finished speedrun 4. I have like finished it before, and I felt very accomplished. And then I realized this game doesn't save. And so that was not fun. But yeah. Boing, boing, boing. Okay, so there used to be this thing where you could just do this. Oh, you still can, yay! Oh, I have never been in here. Oh, that's awesome, I've never been in here. I just discovered something new. And died, of course, but, oh my god, it just, wow. Just, whoa. Boing, 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 boing. That was a lot of boings. Okay. Boing, 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 boing. Is that her? Yeah, that's her. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. I'm usually really bad at this, so I'm very happy. Ah, wait. Oh. Sorry. I wasn't. That's not how you spell wasn't. I wasn't looking at the shot. I wasn't looking at it. Of course, I mess up that. Oh, wow. Okay. I actually might be able to upload videos, guys. So if I can, I will try to make them once in a while. It's just in Portugal. I'm going to be packed. I'm going to be in bakeries. I'm going to be in castles. I'm going to be in beaches. I'm going to be in pools. I'm going to be everywhere. I'm going to be in the plane. So I might not have a lot of time, but I'll try my best, okay? Boing. There we go. Boop. I'm very bad at these, so I'm sorry if I'm like making you like, ugh, I gotta stop watching this video. It's so boring. I'm so sorry. I'll try to make it better. What about... Okay, do you know one of the meanest jokes in history? This is one of the meanest jokes in history. Okay, so I searched up jokes for kids, right? And then it showed me a roast instead, and the roast was like this. So, two people are texting. The first person is the mom. The second person is the child, okay? So the mom is like, and the mom texts, want to hear a joke? And the child is like, but you never make jokes. And then mom texts back, I made you. It was so, I was like looking at them like, that's a roast? That's rude? That might be funny for some people, not for all. Not for the kid. Poor kid, why is the mom so mean? I mean, like, what? That's not a joke, that's a roast. And the mom shouldn't be that mean. Sorry. My god, my thumb is numb. Oh, my thumb is numb. Oh my god. That's a tongue twister. My thumb is numb, my thumb is numb, my thumb is numb. Okay. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm so determined. Should I do this off camera? Should I do this off camera, guys? Okay, if I die again, I'm just gonna do this off camera. Okay? Because this is stressing me out. Yep, okay. Off camera. Time. Oh, I've been at this for so long. Oh my god, this is annoying. My friend is she over there? Is she right there? I don't know. Oh well, this is getting me mad. So, yeah. Just a little comment, Polar, okay? So, I want you guys to tell me two things. One, since my voice sounds when you're listening to me, so when you listen to me, young, and I am like, I don't know, very young, like a toddler, right? Or something. So I want you guys to comment down. Here's the first thing. I want you guys to comment down. How old do you think I am? I'm not going to tell you because that is safety issues that I shall not tell my age. Oh, come on. I shall not tell my age or any personal stuff until I'm at least 18, which I'm not 18, so that guess is upkiss if you were guessing that. and I can't show my face or anything. And so actually, oh, come on! And so, actually, yeah, I lost myself. I'm so sorry, you guys. And then I forgot what I was gonna say. The second thing I want you guys to comment down is what games you'd like me to play that are on, or like what things you want me to do. Like, I have heard of Octodad, the game. I have heard, I know Roblox, duh. I have heard of Animal Jam. I have heard of so many games. So, if you'd like me to play a different game, you guys comment down what game you want me to play and I'll try to find it, okay? Boop, 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 boop. Stop, no! Okay, this is, no, I can't support this anymore. Okay, one last try, you guys. And then, we will be done. Really? Really? They had. Oh, this is getting me annoyed. Like, really annoyed. Okay. Boop. Boop. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, guys, I'm very sorry. My computer died, and so I had to start charging it. I'm very sorry, and I'm not sure if my microphone is working. I sure hope it is. So, I think this is the end of our game. I lost connection anyways. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I hope to see you soon. Oh, look at that kitty cat. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Check out Dennis Daly's YouTube videos, okay? He got aquatic adventures in Minecraft. I love his videos. I am a big fan of Dennis Daly. Go check out Coral, go check out Sketch, go check out Alex. Oh my gosh, check out the whole pals. They are amazing. Get the Dennis Daly backpack in DennisDaily.com. I don't know why I'm advertising for him. Is this legal in YouTube? I don't know. I'll just shut up now. Okay. So just watch his videos. Watch their videos. It's amazing. I am a big fan, and I am so happy and so fortunate that Dennis Daly has the backpack. Okay. Like that backpack, wow, okay? So go check out their videos, like I said, for the third time, but I know I'm annoying. You can shut off the video now. I have nothing to say. I'm just going to, like, you know, whatever. Goodbye. I might make another video, okay? Okay, I'll bye.